Right now, every one of us is aging. By 2050, nearly a quarter of the world's population will be over 60. That's why it's crucial not only to live longer but to age better, repairing the natural damage that accumulates over time. Recent science has revealed hundreds of compounds that protect against aging, from NAD boosters that increase cellular energy to hyperbaric oxygen therapy that literally lengthens telomeres and repairs genetic aging. But among more than 200 so-called geroprotectors, only a few stand out for both power and safety. Let's explore the 5 most promising substances proven to slow or reverse aging. The first is resveratrol, a compound famous for its presence in grapes and red wine. To get a therapeutic dose from wine alone, you'd need around 10 glasses a day, which obviously isn't ideal. That's why supplementation is key. Resveratrol prevents the buildup of zombie cells or senescent cells, damaged cells that refuse to die and instead poison surrounding tissue. It also shields healthy cells from oxidative stress, supports neuron survival, and mimics the life-extending effects of calorie restriction without actual starvation. A daily supplement of about 1,000 milligrams is considered safe and effective for long-term use. The second is rapamycin, a drug originally discovered in soil bacteria on Easter Island. Inside our cells, it inhibits a growth pathway called mTOR, switching the cell from a growth mode into a survival and repair mode. When mTOR slows down, cells activate autophagy, recycling damaged parts, clearing toxins, and restoring function. In studies, rapamycin extended mouse lifespan even when started late in life by removing up to 80% of senescent cells. However, there's a major limitation. Rapamycin is an immunosuppressant, used clinically to prevent organ transplant rejection. That means it weakens the immune system, so researchers are still searching for safe anti-aging doses in humans. Still, its potential is huge, not only for lifespan but for extending health span, the years we live disease-free. Third, we have AKG or alpha-ketoglutarate, perhaps the most exciting molecule so far. Unlike rapamycin, AKG is already considered safe and has been used for decades in athletes to enhance performance and recovery. It's a key part of the Krebs cycle, the engine of cellular energy production. By supplementing AKG, we restore a process that declines with age, improving metabolism, reducing inflammation, supporting immune cells, and even helping generate new amino acids. Human studies show that 7 months of AKG supplementation reduced biological age by an average of 8 years, while cutting age-related disease risk in half. That means not only more years of life, but more life in those years. Fourth, there's NAD and its precursors. NAD, short for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, is present in every cell and essential for energy metabolism. As we age, NAD levels drop sharply, impairing repair mechanisms and making our cells more vulnerable to stress. Boosting NAD with precursors like NR-nicotinamide riboside or NMN-nicotinamide mononucleotide restores mitochondrial energy, enhances stem cell function, and activates twins, the same longevity genes linked to calorie restriction. Ongoing human trials are showing promise for energy, cognition, and muscle recovery, though results are still early. Finally, we come to spermidine, a natural polyamine found in fermented foods like natto, wheat germ, and aged cheese. Spermidine triggers the same autophagy processes activated by fasting, helping cells recycle waste and renew themselves. Populations with higher dietary spermidine intake show lower blood pressure, better cardiovascular health, and longer lifespans, even though the body can produce small amounts of it. Gut bacteria are an important source, meaning a healthy microbiome supports longevity from within. When we look at all these mechanisms, boosting stem cells, increasing energy, clearing senescent cells, and enhancing repair, they all converge on one thing: slowing cellular aging. The best strategy isn't to rely on one miracle supplement, but to combine safe, proven habits like intermittent fasting, glucose control, nutrient balance, and anti-inflammatory nutrition with compounds like NAD, resveratrol, and spermidine, because the goal isn't just to live to 100. It has to get there healthy, sharp, and strong.